Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Windows Movie Maker on your Windows operating system. So earlier, before Windows 7, Microsoft used to give this Windows Movie Maker inbuilt in your operating system. But after Windows 7, you need to download a Windows Movie Maker in order to use it. So let's see how we can download and install Windows Movie Maker. Just open your search engine and just search for the Windows Movie Maker free download. Okay, just give this sentence here, Windows Movie Maker free download, and search for it. And hopefully the first link will be from the Microsoft website. And search for the website called windows.microsoft.com/en-us/windows/get movie maker download. So this is the link we are searching for. Just open this link, and in here you can download the movie maker for your operating system. So if you have Windows 8, just click this. If you have Windows 7, click this. Or if you have other systems, click the respective button. So right now I'm making this video on Windows 7, so I will click this button and I will click download. And it's a very small file, so it will be downloaded very soon. And once you start installing this, so I will click this and I will say yes. It will ask me to install Windows Essential, and Windows Essential is nothing but the way to install this movie maker. So this is the authentic site for movie maker. So first of all, it will install Windows Essential 2012 in your system, and once this Windows Essential 2012 is installed in your system, I have already installed this Windows Essential in my system, that's why it's saying done. But if you are installing it for the first time, you need to install it. Just click few next button. You just need to click next, 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 and it will be installed in I think it will take 3 to 5 minutes to install it. And it will also ask you to restart your system. So once you restart your system after installing Windows Essential 2012, you just need to go to the search button here and search for once again search for movie maker. Okay, and you will see this option here, movie maker. I will just open this, and you can see here movie maker is already installed in my system. Okay, so what you need to do now is you just need to add some videos and start editing your videos using Windows Movie Maker. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.